Save this video if you want to experience Universal Studios Singapore fun activities and Instagrammable attractions. Hi kay Gala! Part 6 na tayo sa ating fun activities here in Universal Studios Singapore. Oh, gusto mo yon? Abay, syempre, halos marami na akong na-share sa inyo kay Gala about fun rides, activities here in Singapore sa ating mga previous vlogs. Kaya check it out. Ngayon, mag-chill muna tayo at next ay fun show, ang Far Far Away Castle. Immerse yourself in the world of Far Far Away Land. Meron dito ride attractions such as Shrek the 4D and Puss in Boots Giant's Journey. At mamimit mo ang iyong favorite characters and explore the land from the Shrek movies. Gusto mo yon? Syempre, gusto natin yan. After getting wet from the Jurassic Park Rapid Adventures, chill muna tayo dito mga kaygala sa Far Far Away. For me, it's 9 out of 10. Ang ganda ng 4D show dito and kaya pala siya pinipilahan. And I highly recommend this ha. Plus, Instagrammable pa, castle pa lang. Hindi ka nalugi hanggang sa susunod na fun shows and attractions here in Universal Studios Singapore. Ingat!